I have decided to extend my stay dito sa Phuket Island, and we are now here in Hilton. And since I need to work, I need to focus, I don't need to go out, I've decided to just eat inside. And I requested for a microwave, and they are so good na nagpahiram naman sila, and I will show you my food. Yan yung microwave that they let me borrowed, and also sila na rin nag-set up dyan. And these are my food right now. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya how it is gonna be finished. But this one is just 125, around 160 pesos. This one, around 50 pesos, pork, chicken, and we have greens. So, eto, I think nasa 60 or 70 pesos lamang. And the lime, and also is the tomato, and this is just the free water here in the room. So, this is now our final output. So, this is our peppered chicken with lime, and then eto yung marinated pork chop na nasa 50 pesos lang, greens, tomatoes, and that's our water. So I will eat now. Bon appetit. Let's eat. Pork is so soft.